Vijay Mallya calls out Nirmala Sitharaman claims banks looted double his debt, calls out blatant injustice. Fugitive businessman Vijay Mallya has stirred a storm with his explosive claims that Indian banks have recovered 14,131.6 crore rupees from his assets, more than double the 6,203 crore rupees debt Kingfisher Airlines owned. Taking to X, Mallya questioned whether the Enforcement Directorate and the banks can legally justify this excess recovery. The Debt Recovery Tribunal adjudged my debt at 6,203 crore rupees, including 1,200 crore rupees in interest. The FM announced in Parliament that ED and banks have recovered 4,131.6 crore rupees from me. Unless they can legally justify this, I am entitled to relief, Mallya wrote. Is Mallya a villain or a victim? Mallya, who fled to the UK in 2016, aimed allegations of defrauding Indian banks of 9,000 crore rupees, insists he's been unfairly labelled an economic offender. He further claimed to have repaid his loan in full with interest and demanded to know, will anyone, including those who freely abuse me, stand up and question this blatant injustice? FM Sitharaman weighs in. In Parliament, Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman confirmed the recovery of 14,131.6 crore rupees worth of Mallya's properties, adding to 22,218 crore rupees has been restored to public sector banks in major economic offence cases. The numbers left many asking, why is Mallya still being pursued if banks have recovered so much more than the debt? The Kingfisher collapse, a financial nightmare. The controversy dates back to the downfall of Mallya's Kingfisher Airlines, which defaulted on massive loans from Indian banks. Despite efforts to extradite Mallya from the UK, he remains out of reach. But the latest revelations add a new layer to this story. Did Mallya truly pay more than what he owned? Why hasn't this economic offender tag been dropped despite alleged full payment? Mallya's counterpunch. Mallya hinted at pursuing legal action, asserting that he is entitled to relief for the excess recovery. I have never borrowed a single rupee or stolen any money, yet I am being labelled a thief, he wrote, accusing the Indian government and banks of injustice. The case has sparked sharp reactions online. While some call for justice and a deeper investigation, others dismiss Mallya's claims as an attempt to evade accountability.
For more updates, subscribe to our YouTube channel TSW News. News that reveal the truth.